Hi students, today we will be completing two mixed practices. These mixed practices include topics that you have been working on lately, okay? One of them are parallel lines cut by a transversal, and the other mixed practice 2, is basically unconditional statements, okay? Now, it is super important, students, very important, that if you do not understand, you connect to your teacher's office hours, okay? Your teacher's office hours. For example, if Miss Nuttall is your teacher, she has office hours in the morning from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and in the afternoon from 1 to 2 p.m. If Coach Navarro is your geometry teacher, then he does office hours every Friday from 11 to 12. If Ms. Dusuki is your teacher, she does office hours every Friday from 11 to 12, and then again from 1 to 2, okay? And if I am your teacher, my office hours are now daily from 1 to 2 p.m., okay? So if you're in geometry, I know that your office hours used to be from 11 to 12, but because I have a class now in the morning, my office hours will be from 1 to 2 p.m. Monday to Friday, okay? Now again, if you prefer to email your teacher, you can also email your teacher, okay? So just remember, just because your teacher doesn't have daily office hours doesn't mean you cannot communicate with your teacher. You're welcome to send an email to your teacher, and I am sure that your teacher will reply within 24 hours. So good luck on this assignment, and if you need additional help, please contact us as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a great day.